Hello friends, welcome back to Auto EV World, your premier destination for all things electric vehicles. Today, we bring you an in-depth exploration of the highly anticipated Renault 5 EV. Overview. Renault, a household name in the Indian automotive scene, has lifted the veil on its futuristic marvel, the Renault 5 EV. With an impressive claimed range of 400 kilometers and a feature-packed interior, this stylish hatchback aims to cater to the aspirations of middle-class families seeking an affordable yet practical electric car. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this exciting addition to the EV landscape. Design. The Renault 5 EV pays homage to its iconic predecessor, the Renault 5 of the 1970s, featuring reminiscent rounded headlights and a distinctive boxy silhouette, evoking a sense of nostalgia among enthusiasts. Infusing modernity into its design, the 5 EV incorporates sleek lines and LED lighting signatures, resulting in a contemporary and futuristic aesthetic that captivates the eye. Features. Expect a modern cabin design prioritizing driver comfort and convenience, adorned with high quality materials and an intuitive layout to enhance the driving experience. Dive into a world of tech savvy features, including a spacious touchscreen infotainment system providing seamless access to entertainment, navigation, and vehicle settings, complemented by advanced safety features such as airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control. Discover clever design touches like the innovative transformation of the air intake into a charging flag and the captivating LED lighting signatures, adding both innovation and visual allure to the Renault 5 EV. Battery performance and charging. Revel into the long-range capability of the Renault 5 EV, boasting a claimed 400 km range on a single charge, effectively minimizing range anxiety and facilitating comfortable intercity travel. While exact specifications await confirmation, anticipate fast charging capabilities enabling swift replenishment of the battery, potentially reducing charging times to a mere 4 to 5 hours with a DC fast charger. Release date and price. While the Renault 5 EV has already made its debut in European markets, its arrival in India remains shrouded in mystery. With speculation rife, industry insiders suggest a potential India debut by the end of 2024, aligning with the escalating demand for EVs in the country. Although European pricing hints at a premium, localization efforts could pave the way for more competitive price point estimated between rupees 20 to 25 lakh ex-showroom, catering to the Indian market's preferences and budgetary constraints. Potential competitors. In a burgeoning Indian EV market, the Renault 5 EV faces competition from both established players and upcoming contenders. Established giants like Tata Motors and Mahindra present formidable adversaries with their range of EV offerings, while newcomers such as MG Motor and Hyundai add to the fray with their innovation propositions. Conclusion. The Renault 5 EV emerges as a compelling contender in the Indian EV landscape, boasting a harmonious blend of retro-futuristic design, extended range, and feature-rich interior. However, lingering uncertainties surrounding its launch date and pricing warrant a cautious approach from potential buyers. With localization initiatives and competitive pricing, the Renault 5 EV holds the promise of carving a niche in the Indian electric car segment, offering a tantalizing prospect for discerning customers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the electrifying world of automobiles.